and welcome to my video series Desserts Around the World. In this series, I'm baking iconic desserts from all around the world. In this episode, we're going to Italy with one of its most famous desserts, il tiramisu. The tiramisu was born in the Veneto region of Italy, likely in the 1960s. Tiramisu means pick me up or cheer me up in Italian, reflecting both the energy boost from its coffee-soaked layers and the feel-good experience it offers. The tiramisu was inspired by older Italian desserts, but it became a global sensation in the 1980s thanks to its rich layers of mascarpone, coffee-soaked biscuits, and dusting of cocoa. Now let's get started on my take on this classic dessert. Today we will make a Nutella tiramisu, and this is one of my favorite dessert recipes. For this tiramisu, we're gonna start by separating the egg white and the egg yolk. So place the egg white in a small bowl and place the egg yolk in a bigger bowl. Now add the sugar in the egg yolk. Now we're gonna add the mascarpone to the egg yolks. And we're gonna mix that one again with an electric mixer. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of Nutella. And we're gonna mix again. Now the mascarpone cream is almost ready. We're gonna whip the egg whites and add it to the mascarpone cream. Now let's check if the egg whites are ready. Yes! Now this is the final step of the mascarpone cream preparation. We're gonna gently blending the egg whites. Now it's time to assemble the tiramisu. You're gonna need a bowl of coffee, some biscuits, your mascarpone cream, chopped hazelnuts, and a little bit more of Nutella. So to start with these layers, you're gonna take your biscuit and soak them in your coffee. Once this is done, you're gonna place a first layer of biscuit at the bottom. Make sure to not soak your biscuit too much, otherwise they're just gonna crumble in your hands. Now let's go ahead with the layer of cream. Now we're gonna sprinkle some chopped hazelnuts and we're gonna drizzle a bit more of Nutella. Now let's do a second layer and repeat the process. Now for this second layer, we're gonna soak more biscuits. Now let's add a very thin layer of cream. We're gonna sprinkle a bit more hazelnuts and finish with the rest of the Nutella. For this last layer, we're gonna cover all the tiramisu. Now we're gonna spread this cream. Now to make it a little bit flatter, we're gonna shake it a little bit. Now for the final step, we're gonna sprinkle the rest of the hazelnuts that we have. Your Nutella tiramisu is ready. I'm gonna place that overnight in the fridge. You can place it in the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours and then it will be ready to enjoy. 24 hours have passed. Now it's time to cut the tiramisu and to taste it. I just cut a slices of tiramisu. Now it's time to try it. This is really one of my favorite tiramisu version. With these Nutella layers, this hazelnut crunch, it really makes the perfect combo. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to like it and follow the channel to support the account. And I will see you very soon in another foodie video. Bye!